Are you guys ready to be challenged? I am going to be testing your car knowledge. I'm going to be putting up some silhouettes and I'm going to see if you guys know which car they are. Now, this is a contest because whoever writes the cars down and do it in order, you know, the pictures and stuff like that, do it 1, 2, 3, 4, but whoever does it first is gonna win 3 things. They're gonna win an inspector kit, which has like a flashlight, an inspection mirror, and some other goodies, and a trim kit, which is very useful for working on the interior and removing trims, anything that doesn't require like a piece of metal or like a screwdriver, and a sound check guide. You heard that, your own very sound check guide that you could use when you're looking to buy a car. This is about $100 or more worth of stuff. So you guys got to really try your best, and remember, whoever's the first one is going to win it all. Now, here are the car silhouettes. I'm going to start it, and I'm also going to put one of the songs I made whenever I was trying to make music. So in 48 hours, that's the deadline, 48 hours, 2 days. I'm gonna tell you guys who won, and it's gonna be fair because whoever puts their comment, it's gonna be time-stamped. You could also put the time if you want your comments, but I'm gonna see what time you guys were commenting. It's gonna be like an order, so it makes it easy for me. So good luck, guys. Let's see who wins.